ఈరోజు మనం స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఒక సమ్ నేర్చుకుందాం. The sum is 796 tickets were sold in a zoo park on Monday. 298 tickets were sold on Tuesday. How many more tickets were sold on Monday than on Tuesday? Solution. Tickets sold on Monday 796. Tickets sold on Tuesday 298. Number of more tickets on Monday. We do subtract. This is 3-digit number. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here in ones place 6 is small, 8 is big. So one number is taken from tens place. That is called borrowing. So we take one digit in tens place. So 6 is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. In tens place, we take one number, so that number decrease in one digit. So 8. 8 is also small, 9 is big. So we take one digit in hundreds place, that is 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Here 7 reduce one number, 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So number of more tickets on Monday 498. Thank you.